Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your writing skills with MasterClass, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing the concept of improving writing skills through structured learning. Identify the goal of enhancing your writing. Visit the MasterClass website to explore its offerings. Look for the writing courses led by renowned authors. Choose a course that aligns with your interests and goals. Sign up for an account to access the classes. Once registered, navigate to the course section. Start with the introductory lessons to get a feel for the format. Take notes as you watch the videos. Engage with the material by reflecting on the concepts presented. Participate in any exercises or assignments provided. Practice the writing techniques introduced in the lessons. Set a regular schedule to keep yourself accountable. Join the community discussions if available. Share your work, receive feedback, and learn from peers. Explore additional resources and reading materials recommended in the course. Apply what you've learned in your writing projects. Continuously revise your work based on learned techniques. Seek out further writing opportunities to enhance your skills. Track your progress and celebrate your improvements over time. Keep revisiting the MasterClass content as needed for guidance. Ultimately, commit to lifelong learning to nurture your writing talent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.